Okay, so one of the things that we want to talk about is over the phone help. When you're calling your technical support as you're doing a service call. One of the things you gotta keep in mind is the technician that is over the phone cannot see you, right? But there's a simple trick that you can do to help the technician on the phone understand better. And they can help you much faster. Number one, always mention the property name. Number two, always mention the group, right? Number three, mention the size and width of the machine so they understand. In this case, it's a 3-level, also 6-wide machine. And number four, assume that the person you're talking to is always standing right here facing the machine. Okay, go ahead. In other words, if you need to talk to him about space that is moving to the left, assume that he's always standing looking at the kiosk. This is the same left. So what is going to be there? That's still my left. Pause.
Go.
Okay. The next thing is, this is the front of the machine. That is the rear of the machine. So when we're talking, this is always going to be the front. If we're talking about front overlay sensors, we're going to be talking about these sensors. If we're talking about the rear, we'll be talking about the rear sensors at the back. So if we're talking about right sensors on the gate, we're talking about always looking towards the right. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much.